Zhejiang Shentong Plastic Industry Company Limited, founded in September 2003, is a professional export PPR pipe fittings, PERT pipe fittings, HDPE pipe fittings, HDPE double-wall corrugated pipe and equipment enterprises. In April 2011, to obtain the import and export rights, in order to meet the growing market demand, we know the importance of quality. We have signed a long-term cooperation agreement with Hebei Shentong Plastics Industry Company Limited, which has advanced automation equipment, advanced German technology, and experienced workers. Therefore, we have kinds of products and complete product specifications. In addition, because with the strict standard products, our cooperation factory took through the ISO 9001 International Quality System certification, becoming CCTV Broadcast Brand, One Quality Credit Service Demonstration Company, Consumer Trustworthy Company, has participated Green Environmental Promotion Product in the National Green Environmental Protection Promotion activities, and won the China Famous Brand, Quality Service Integrity AAA Company, China's energy-efficient building materials preferred products, China's top 10 brands, and other honorary certificates. Recently, with good market prospects, the demand for pipes is increasing day by day. The company's trade scale is expanding day by day. All of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. We are looking forward to your visit.